Hello and welcome to VideoNet's IBC interviews. I'm Barry Flynn, and with me are two executives from Keepixo, Philippe Loussararian, Business Development Manager, and Jérôme Blanc. Keepixo is a company that's been spun off from Allegro DVT's broadcast business, which provides software-based and cloud-ready head-end solutions for IP-delivered video. Welcome, gentlemen. Philippe, perhaps I could begin by asking you to explain what Keepixo does in more detail.
Sure. So at Keepixo, we're video compression experts. We develop products that allow our customers to deliver TV over the internet. As you were saying, we're a spin-off from Allegro DVT's broadcast business, which is a recognized company in the market, and we benefit from this expertise. We've been in the market for over 10 years now, providing our products to over 130 customers. And these products are for video compression, obviously, so we have encoders and transcoders for OTT TV and IPTV. But we also have the delivery stage and the preparation of the content. So we have OTT packaging functionalities, and we also have advanced functionalities for catch-up and PVR and start over.
Okay. Jérôme, you're highlighting a number of innovations to your Genova product line at IBC. Perhaps you could take me through a few of those?
Yeah, sure. So let me write first that Genova is the software virtualizable product line for OTT delivery, like Philippe said. And among those innovations, so maybe the most important to me would be the ones that relate to HD HEVC encoding. So we demonstrate here at IBC the improved live video encoder we have for HD HEVC. And with new modes for 1080p 50 frame creation from 1080i content, and also support for adaptive interlaced 1080i encoding. So we believe that brings value to our customers, operators wanting to send their content to internet television, because those features bring maximum picture quality with maximum fluidity at the lowest possible bitrate. Maybe the second one would be HDR.
Yeah.
So HDR is the buzzword here at IBC. Yeah. Because many questions arise around HDR. Like what technology to use, which one is better, does it matter for me? And well, our position is that we believe HDR really brings value to 4K, will drive 4K adoption, and is also important to HD content. So we demonstrate here at IBC two HDR technologies, and our message is that we can adapt to any, because our Genova product is based on software. So even if you deploy Genova now, we can later add HDR encoding, whatever the technology you will use in the future, because we can change the software and add HDR features. And maybe one last note, one last innovation would be the 4K live encoder. Mm-hmm. So we do demonstrate a 4K live encoder for HEVC, which demonstrates that today, even being based on software, you can reach a very high performance that is suitable to 4K live encoding.
Right. What do you think, Jérôme, are the key differentiators and benefits Genova offers those who license the software from you?
So at Keepixo, we've always had two guidelines. There is picture quality and feature set. So as for picture quality, we have an in-house team of video experts who design our own codecs, whether for H.264 or HEVC encoding. So, and they constantly benchmark our codecs so that we stay ahead of the competition in terms of video quality. So that's one point, and the second one would be feature set. So we also have our own team of developers for all those value-added features that you put around the video codec to make a good video encoder. So that means OTT packaging, DRM, ad insertion, all those features. And for instance, for OTT packaging, we demonstrate here new subtitling modes that are required for DVB-, which are especially important to the European and more especially German markets. So being based on software allows us to do all this, change our code whether the video codec or the other features, so as to match all what our customers want to do with our encoders.
I mean, key to a lot of these developments has been a move to software-based video processing and virtualization, and with it, I guess the possibility of migrating workflows to the cloud. Philippe, what is it that's made these moves possible, and how does it benefit customers using your products?
Well, I would say that it has been more or less possible all the time. Maybe the difference today is that it's acceptable for the operators. There has been a move a few years back from telcos mainly to software products, and it has been a successful move actually. So traditional broadcasters that are preferred generally hardware units now are more keen on using software-based products. And since we've been developing software products for a moment now, we're able to provide this to the customers. And as Jérôme was saying, it provides much more flexibility, and it's easier to develop something at a specific time and then upgrade in the future. And maybe one of the points that also allows this is the CPU performance that is increasing over and over. So it brings much more functionalities in the same processing units.
Okay. I mean, let's talk a bit about how Keepixo supports different business models and also integrates some of the value-added features you were talking about, Jérôme. Yeah.
So yeah, since it's based on software, we believe that, as I was saying, it's easier to change, to evolve, to stop and then start in the future. So in that sense, we can provide our software on a rental basis, on our leasing basis. So we can adapt to customers that want to expand for some time and then reduce in the future. And it's functionalities and products that can be deployed easier. So it helps the customer in that sense.
Okay, great. So I think our time is probably up, gentlemen. Thank you very much for dropping in and sparing the time to talk to us.
Thank you.
We hope you'll have a busy show. Thank you. And thanks to you, the viewers, for dropping in yourselves on this VideoNet IBC 2015 interview series. Goodbye.